Peekaboo, I see you. It's Miss Virginia. Peekaboo. Hi, my friends. It's Miss Virginia. Who knows what that is behind me? Who said anthill? If you said anthill, you are right. But do you see any ants? I didn't see any back there either. We're going to do a finger play called Once I Saw an Anthill. So I want you all to hold up your hand like this and make your own anthill. Ready? Once I saw an anthill with no ants about. So I said, little ants, won't you please come out? And soon, as if they heard my call, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 came out, and that is all. But, uh-oh, those ants are crawling on my body. They're crawling down my arm. Hey, go back to your anthill, you ants. Bye-bye, ants.